full of sin, and I don't know what to do. Life was shattered and hope was gone. Who could heal and restore me? But then I'd heard of His wondrous grace that made my heart yearn for His embrace. That's exactly what I want. Here am I, use me, Lord, and teach me what to do. I will follow, Lord. I won't be ashamed. I am willing, Lord, to give my life to Christ. Yes, I'll do right. I won't lose the fight, to walk in the light. In Him I abide. Yes, I follow. Jesus, protect me and lead me in the path. Through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear not. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. There's no impossible with God. I will follow, Lord. I won't be ashamed. I am willing, Lord, to give my life to Christ. Yes, I'll do right. I won't lose the fight, to walk in the light. In Him I abide. Yes, I follow. The love You've shown at Calvary, the love You have gave until eternity, You are worthy to praise. Because You suffered and died for me, just for us, and I will follow, Lord. I won't be ashamed. I am willing, Lord, to give my life to Christ. Yes, I'll do right. I won't lose the fight, to walk in the light. In Him I abide. I will follow, Lord. I won't be ashamed. I am willing, Lord, to give my life to Christ. Yes, I'll do right. I won't lose the fight, to walk in the light. In Him I abide. Yes, I follow. Yes, I'll do right. I will lose the fight. Yes, I follow. I follow, Lord.